Hi guys, welcome to exam pad. In today's class, they have given the square root problem. They ask us to find the equivalent value for this. So let's start how to solve this. Okay, so for that first I'm going to take this and I'm going to find LCM and what are the multiples of these numbers. Okay, so it will comes in two table, 2, again 1, 8, again 1, 8. 2, 1, 4, 4. Again it comes in 2 times. 7 2s are 14. 2 2s are 4. Again it comes in 2 times. 3 2s are 6. Balance 1. 6 2s are 12. Again it comes in 2 times. 1 2 is to balance 1. 8 2s are 16. Again it comes in 2 times. 9. 9 2s are 18. Again it comes in 3 times. 3 3s are 9. 3 1. So it's a root. So let's pair by 2. So I am pairing to the same number. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 3, which is equal to what? Root 576, which is equal to the root of 2 square into 2 square into 2 square into 3 square. Is it? Which is equal to this whole square and root get cancelled. Therefore 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. So root 576 is equal to 24. Now we found. So now we need to find the what are the multiples of 540. So for that I'm going for the L division method. So for 540, so it comes in 2 times. 2 2s are 4, balance 1, 7 0. Again it comes in 2 times. 1 2 is 2, 3 2s are 6, balance 1 5. Again it comes in 5 times. 2 5s are 10, balance 3, 7 5s are 35. Again it comes in 3, 9. Again it comes in 3, 3 3s are 9, 3 times 1. So now root 540 is equal to root of 2 square multiplied by 15 multiplied by 3 square. Okay. So now which is equal to the root of, so just skip the root, therefore 2 into 3 into root 15. Okay, this is the equivalent for root 540. So now we move to the 64. We know that root 64 is equal to root of 64 is 8 square. Root square and root get cancelled. I get 8 here. Okay, so now it's a 60. Therefore root 60, which is equal to, just take LCM. So 2 times 30, again 3 times 10, again 2 times 5. So now which is equal to the root of 2 square 3 into 5, which is equal to 2 root 3 root 5. Is it? Multiplied, all in multiplication. So just substitute this value and this value in the question. So the question is what? Question is root 576 minus root 540 divided by root 64 minus root 60 whole root, which is equal to the whole root of, which is equal to this root 576 is equal to 24. So 24 minus, and root 540 is equal to 2 into 3 into root 15. So 2 into 3 into root 15. So divided by here root 64 is equal to 8. 8 minus, and root 60 is equal to 2 into 3 into root 5. Okay. So now see here I'm going to, here also root 3. Okay. So now I'm going to change this 3 in terms of root. We know that root 9 is equal to 3. Is it? So now I'm going to replace this 9 by 3. So 3 by root 9. So therefore which is equal to, which is equal to the root of 24 minus 2 into root 9 into root 15. Okay. Divided by 8 minus 2 into root 3 into root 5. Okay, so now I'm going to write 24 in terms of 15 and 9. So 15 plus 9 I get 24, is it? So just replace that bit here. Therefore the root of 15 plus 9 minus 2 root 15 into root 9 divided by, here I am going to write this 8 in terms of 3 and 5. 5 plus 3 is 8. So minus 2 into root 5 into root 3. So now assume, I am going to assume that here root 15 the whole square is equal to what? 15, is it? Similarly, root 9 the whole square is equal to what? 9. So now I am going to just made a substitution in order to get it clear. So I am going to assume x is equal to root 15 and y is equal to root 9. Similarly, a is equal to root 5 and b is equal to root 3. So just substitute that here. Therefore, which is equal to the root of, here root 15 is equal to 15, is it? Similarly, if I take square, then I get x square, is it? So I want 15 means that is x square. I want 9 value means that is y square, is it? So just substitute that. Therefore, x square plus y square minus 2 into x into y. Okay, divided by, so now divided by, here 5 plus 3. So now a is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. Okay. Similarly, 5 is equal to a square and b square is equal to 3, is it? So now this is in the form of root of x minus y the whole square divided by a minus b the whole square as per the formula. So here the square is common, therefore which is equal to the root of x minus y divided by a minus b the whole square. So this square and this root get cancelled, therefore which is equal to x minus y divided by a minus b. Okay, here x value is what? Root 15 minus y value is what? Root 9 divided by a value is what? Root 5 minus b value is what? Root 3. So therefore, now I am going to simplify this. Therefore, here I am going to write this 15 as 5 into 3. Similarly, this 9 as 3 into 3 divided by root 5 minus root 3. Okay. So now which is equal to, here root 5, here root 5, so root 3 is common. So take root 3 as common. Therefore, root 5 minus root 3 divided by, here also root 5 minus root 3. Therefore, this root 5 minus root 3, this root 5 minus root 3 get cancelled. Therefore, which is equal to root 3. That is equal to 1.732. So, the answer for this question is 1.732 or root 3. The both are correct answer. So, practice twice and twice. You will get a perfect answer. The answer for this question is root 3 or 1.732. So, practice twice and twice. You will get a perfect answer. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.